Hello everyone, today we are going to run local language model using Ollama in Windows. So let's get started. So first let's go to Ollama download page and download latest Ollama for Windows. You can also download it for Linux or Mac also. So let's install it. So installation will take a bit of time and it can take Visual C++ to download. So once you have installed, you open Ollama and select a model. So I am taking Llama, and this is the open source model for Gemini. Okay, and here I can type the prompt like tell me about Ollama, and once you click enter, so if the model is not downloaded, it will start downloading it, and once the download is complete, it will start replying in the chat window. So you see here it's running or giving the reply from your local. The Ollama is running this Llama model in local and giving up the response. So now next in on another prompt I'm asking what is Docker and AR, and here also it's giving a response. So this way you can easily install it in your local. Okay, now I'll show how to do it from command line, and if you type Ollama list, it gives list of model, and here also you can give your prompt. Okay, just you have to write Ollama run Llama 3, and I am typing the prompt define an agent, and here it's giving the response. So this way, like from command prompt also I can interact with local language model, and you can also install other models also using command prompt. So that I'll also show you in this tutorial. So see, and it's completing the chat and it has giving lot of contents. So now let's go to Ollama where we can see different models. So I will install Llama. So here it has different models with a lot of parameters. So you can select any of the model based on your machine capacity or basically the configuration. Okay, so I am using Gem Llama 2 latest, and I will download it from the command line. Okay, so once you click and run Ollama, run Llama 2.3, and it will download your images. Okay, so this model is now downloaded, and it will take a bit of time based on the size of this model, and once the download is complete, it will give you as a prompt. So it is giving a prompt. Now I can type in like what you can ask any other different things, like I'm asking about RAG, and it will give different types or definitions of RAG, and it will complete the chat. So this way you can also download any other models and you can use it. Okay, so this is very simple. You can easily run a local language model in your local system and benefit of using LLMs in Windows. So yeah, if you have any comments and suggestions, let me know. In next video we'll explore REST APIs and integrating with apps. Thank you.